How to get Lidl Plus card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can get Lidl Plus card. So the Lidl Plus program is managed through a mobile app. So first of all, you need to download the app on your smartphone, and then you have to create an account. After you're done creating your account, you need to verify your email address and all that. Then you can link your Lidl Plus card. Now in the app, you'll have the option that to link your Lidl Plus card to your account. If you already have a physical card, you can scan the barcode and on the back of the card using the phone's camera to link your card. How you can actually get a card is that whenever you're actually creating an account, then you can just apply for the card, and after that you can link your card to the app itself and you can use it as a payment method. However, if you don't have a physical card, the app may generate a virtual card for you, and once the card is linked to your account, you can start using the Lidl Plus card to access special discounts, offers and review at Lidl store. Now simply scan your Lidl Plus card or enter your phone number at the checkout to receive the discount and reward as well. You can also check the Lidl Plus app regularly for special offer, promotions and reward available exclusively to Lidl Plus member. You may also receive personalized discount based on your shopping habits, and that's basically how you can get Lidl Plus card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.